Danielle's Rowe killer get life in prison. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dental assistant Kayodi Satchell, who admitted to slashing the throat of 8-year-old schoolgirl Danielle Rowe last year June, was this morning sentenced to life in prison. The 32-year-old child killer who murdered Rowe after allegedly contracting HIV from her father was ordered by Justice Caroline Powell to serve 27 years and 4 months in prison before being eligible for parole. The judge said that what Satchell did was sheer evil and wicked. Sudine Mason, the mother of slain schoolgirl Danielle Rowe, says that she have no forgiveness for Kayodi Satchell, the woman who admitted to slashing the throat of her daughter. Mason says she is pleased with today's sentence of life in prison for Satchell. The mother was moved to tears when she was reflected on spending Christmas without her 8-year-old daughter.
What was going through my mind? I was wondering the sentence would turn out, if she's going to get less. Because I always play in my head because the sentence I want her to get, she got it today. So that was playing in my head when I come to court.
So you are pleased with what was delivered? It was what you expected?
Yeah, I'm very much pleased because she got the life sentence that I wanted.
Was it the time, the number of years that you wanted her to spend before she being eligible for parole?
Yeah, she got it. So I'm very much pleased. Before, but now we know that the judge said that she took the baby life when she was expecting her child. So I don't have any forgiveness for her anymore when I heard that. She took my baby life because that day was supposed to be her due date. Honestly, I felt sorry for her at that time. I felt really sorry for her because I'm saying that Danielle's father was the reason why she did what she did, even though it was wrong. He gave her a sickness that she had to live with for the rest of her life. So I felt sorry for her at that time when she told me sorry. But hearing what I heard just now, I have a change of mind. He should have held accountable as well, because he's the reason why, I've been saying that he's the reason why his daughter life was taken. If he never do him do, the baby would have been there. Probably should have armed the baby because Danielle knew her, the baby knew her. So if that never happened, the baby would have still be alive right now. Well, my dad I look forget our gift as always, because normally when it come on to Christmas, but I get our stuff and hide them in the house and tell her to play hide and seek. So it's a kind of hard for me.
In August of last year, then Acting Commissioner of Police Mr. Fitzbailey, in charge of the crime portfolio, provided this update.
8 years old Danielle April Rowe, who on June 8, 2023 was abducted from her school in Portmore, St. Catherine, and taken to Roosevelt Avenue in Kingston, where her throat was slashed. She was assisted by a passing motorist and taken to the Bustamante Children's Hospital. However, despite the best effort of the medical staff at the Children's Hospital, she succumbed to her injury on June 10, 2023. Kayodi Satchell, 30 years old, dental assistant of Padmore District, Red Hill, St. Andrew, and Twickenham Park, St. Catherine, who was taken into custody on Friday, August 11, 2023, was positively identified on an ID parade which was held today, the 25th of August, 2023. The breakthrough is a reflection of the commitment, patience, and due diligence of our investigator in this matter. And I want to commend the team that actually was involved in this investigation. It is to be noted that Ms. Satchell was an intimate partner of Danielle Rowe's father. We have not yet established a clear motive, but as the investigation proceeds, we expect that the real motive will be manifested. Miss Satchell will be interviewed and the formal charges will ultimately be laid in the coming week.
Satchell, by her own admission, snatched Danielle Rowe from the Burton Primary and Infant School in Portmore, St. Catherine on June the 8th, 2023 and took her to a location in St. Andrew where she fed her a meal before slashing her throat. The mortally wounded child was found by a member of the Jamaica Defense Force on Roosevelt Avenue in St. Andrew. She succumbed to her injuries in hospital 2 days later on June the 10th. In September this year, Satchell pleaded guilty to the act, which caused widespread horror and outrage. She claimed she was driven to commit the crime out of bitterness and frustration at being jolted by the child's father, who she said infected her with HIV. The man she claimed infected her with HIV is a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and is currently on sick leave based on deteriorating health. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.